Hello, everyone, and welcome to Daily English Conversation Podcast. This is the podcast where you can improve your English by listening to simple and natural conversations. I'm Alex.
And I'm Sam.
Today's topic is morning routine. Sam, are you a morning person?
Honestly, not really. I usually feel sleepy in the morning.
Same here. Waking up early can be difficult.
What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up around 7 a.m. What about you?
I wake up at about 6:30 a.m. because I have to go to work.
That's early. What's the first thing you do when you wake up?
The first thing I do is turn off my alarm and check my phone.
Really? I try not to check my phone right away.
Why not?
Because I want to start my day calmly. I usually drink a glass of water first.
That sounds like a healthy habit.
Yes, and after that I brush my teeth and take a shower.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Most of the time? Yes, I usually eat eggs and toast.
That sounds delicious. I usually eat something simple, like cereal or fruit.
Do you drink coffee in the morning?
Absolutely. Coffee helps me wake up.
I agree. Coffee is my favorite morning drink.
Some people prefer tea, though.
That's true. Tea can be relaxing.
After breakfast, I usually get ready for work.
Me too. I check my schedule and prepare for the day.
Having a good morning routine can really improve your day.
Yes, it helps you feel more organized and productive. That's the end of today's episode of Daily English Conversation Podcast.
Thank you so much for listening. Keep practicing English every day.
And we'll see you in the next episode.
Goodbye.